here are some questions that require solving trigonometric equations. So we're going to work through 6b, okay, this one here, because this one has got two different shifts. It's basically the curve has been shifted, and also we're multiplying x, so that means that the curve has been stretched as well. Okay, so let's have a look. So we've got sine of 3x minus 15 degrees, and that equals 1 over root 2. So what do we do first? Well, our range that we're given is from 0. We need all the solutions between 0 and 180. Okay, now what's happened? This has been adjusted by 3x minus 15, so we're going to adjust this range by 3x minus 15. So 3 times x, so 3 times 0 is still 0. Let's take away 15, so now that's going to be minus 15. Okay, it's no longer x, it's 3x minus 15. This was 180, so I'm going to take away 15 and times it by 5, which is 525. So now I need all the solutions between those two. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to find my principal angle. So I take arc sine of 1 over root 2, and that tells me that angle is 45 degrees. Okay, now remember, we're looking for all the solutions to 525 degrees. So if I've got the sine, I go to 360, I have to keep going, and that is 720. There's my 360, there's my 180, here's my 540. Okay, so this is a positive value, so that means that my positive value is going to be up here, and I'm going to have one solution here, which is my 45 degrees. I'm going to have one solution here, which is going to be 180 minus 45. I'm going to have one here, which is going to be 45 plus 360, and so on. So I'm going to have 4 solutions. And the 4 solutions I get are 45, 135, 405, and 495. Right, now I'm going to think about these as linear equations. So now 3x minus 15 degrees equals 45 degrees. So remember, this is what's happened. Someone's tripled x and taken away 15. So when I want to find x, I'm going to undo it in the same way. This is basically, I'm going to add the 15. So that means that 3 lots of x is equal to 60 degrees. And then I'm going to divide it by 3. So x is 20 degrees. We do the same thing with the next one. So 3x minus 15 degrees equals 135. So 3x equals 150 degrees, and therefore x is equal to 50 degrees. Okay, so then I get my solutions. My solutions for this are going to be 20 degrees, and x equals 20 degrees, 50 degrees, 140 degrees, and 170 degrees. Okay, and this is my x value, and now all of these solutions are within my original range. Okay, so don't get confused. When we get to this part, write it out as a linear equation. Remember that we're going to subtract, so we're subtracting 15 afterwards. So the first step was to multiply by 3 and then to subtract 15. So what do? The first thing we do is add 15 and then we divide by 3.